Morning. I'm laughing because boss has gone running ahead. I hope you're doing good. Day 17 of my farmhouse renovation. Hi, Captain. Oh, you got lots of energy this morning, boss. I should really go and close that gate so we can go into that paddock, but I'll do that later. There's definitely an autumnal feel in the air. I really like March. It's one of my favourite months because of the weather. It's not hot from summer, but it's not cold yet. I don't know why I'm saying that. We haven't even had a hot summer. So one of the good things about renovating is you have a sort out. So I've been going through every cupboard in my house and I've got some stuff out to give away to a friend because I don't have a lot of things stored, but I kind of want to get to the stage where everything I own I have out and I use. So that's just a process. So I will get that stuff to her. So my chandeliers have been sitting on my kitchen floor for a few days. I've been calling this chandelier alley. Excuse the mess on the floor, it just needs vacuuming in here because of the, the people coming in and out. So these little ones here I've had over 10 years and they're just little DIY ones that you put up yourself. And that one there, I really like that one. And these two from the kitchen are from the same company in New Zealand, which I absolutely love. So as much as I don't want to contradict myself and I just said I don't want to store anything, these are actually going to go into storage for the meantime. So this is how this space is looking. It literally needs a vacuum. I just haven't got to it since the lino was laid. It's actually amazing how quickly dust gathers and just bits of stuff on a floor, but for the moment I've just left the French sign up, which is actually quite hard to get down because I actually asked my husband to glue it up there, and I've just put two of these chairs here and that in the middle, and realistically it's just really simple, but I actually really like how it looks. The story with the door is that was like a reproduction stained glass door that someone got made to try and fit into the house. They probably got it made 20 years ago, not sure. But I never really liked it and I decided to make it look shabby chic, but like a French chateau, like it was old. Some people might not like that, but I still really love that effect. And I still haven't done much in here. It's still just looking like a total dumping ground site. So a whole lot of work got done on the outside of the house today, so I didn't want to bother you with that. But the door got painted white. It looks so good. It's just amazing what paint can do. And the sliding door into the walk-in wardrobe that goes to the ensuite got a coat of paint as well, so that's looking great. Seeing so much work was done on the outside today, I thought I would just make this part one of a video and record tomorrow as well and join them together, because there wasn't really much done, as far as inside. So I'm glad the doors got painted though, that's really good. And the weather's just not very good again. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, I hope you're doing good. It's day 18 of my French Country Style Farmhouse cottage in New Zealand. Friday it is, I had to think what day of the week it was. Excuse the gloomy outlook and the light on. It's just been raining overnight and it's a bit cold. So yeah, the weather's changing. So that's the end of the weather report. I have moved overnight since I last saw you yesterday. The chandeliers, so Chandelier Alley is no longer. And this room is looking a lot better. The urns are over there. And you may ask why the urns are over there. Well, there's a story to why the urns are over there. I bought these baskets after I had put the urns under the island, and then I put the urns in the baskets because I just put the baskets there for the meantime before I found time to sort out the bathrooms, and when they were totally finished. Sorry, there's so much explanation. And then I took the urns out for some reason and I thought, I really like the baskets. I really like how they look under there. And they've got black on them. And you know, there's little black details in my kitchen. So, the urns now need a new home. So I've got a massive loads of dishes to do. I didn't do my dishes after dinner last night, so it's a huge mess. And I usually do. I may not make my bed in the mornings, but I usually do the dishes. So, I'll check in later with progress on the work of the house today. I really honestly think this is getting started, but I've said that before, that things have been getting started and they haven't. But we're about to cut a hole in the ceiling today to put in an extraction fan, because there's no extraction fan in this kitchen. So that's exciting, guys.